Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Johnson Mobile Banking account. For that, first of all you have to launch Johnson Mobile Banking application on your device. Then your login page will be opened. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account, or you can also log in using Face ID or password if you have set them up beforehand. For now, we are just using user ID and password option. First of all, enter your user ID. Once you are done, enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then simply tap on forget your password option available there. Or if you want this device to remember your user ID and password, then simply toggle on remember me button right over there. Once you fill out both user ID and password correctly, simply tap on login button to log into your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.